In the shadows of Apple Park, a massive shift is occurring. For years, the base model iPad was the safe choice, the reliable, slightly boring tablet you bought for school or basic media consumption. But as we enter 2026, the game has changed. The tech world is no longer satisfied with good enough. With the explosion of local AI and the pressure from high-end Android competitors, Apple has been forced to do something they almost never do. They are bringing pro-level power to the masses. This is the story of the iPad 12th generation, the most significant update to the world's most popular tablet in over a decade. If you are holding an old iPad and waiting for the right moment to upgrade, your wait is officially over. This is not just a spec bump. This is a total reconstruction of what a budget tablet can be. The first thing you have to understand about the iPad 12 is that it is the bridge to the future of computing. Apple is finally moving away from the old school, non-laminated display technology that made the base iPad feel like a toy compared to the Air or the Pro. The iPad 12 is rumored to feature an 11-inch liquid retina display that is fully laminated. This means the gap between the glass and the pixels is gone. When you use the Apple Pencil, it will feel like you are touching the digital ink directly. This one change elevates the device from a casual tablet to a serious tool for artists and note-takers. But Apple didn't stop there. The leaks suggest a move toward organic EL, or high-end LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate. While it's not the full 120Hz promotion found on the $1,000 models, 90Hz is the sweet spot. It's smooth, it's fluid, and it makes every swipe and animation feel like butter. But the real reason the iPad 12 is going to melt faces is the silicon. For the first time, Apple is putting the A18 Bionic chip inside the entry-level iPad. Why? Because of Apple Intelligence. In 2026, a device that can't run complex AI models locally is a paperweight. The A18 chip is a 3-nanometer powerhouse designed specifically to handle large language models and generative AI. This means your cheap iPad will be able to summarize hours of lectures in seconds, generate images in the blink of an eye, and act as a personal assistant that actually understands context. This level of power in a $449 device is unprecedented. It effectively turns the iPad 12 into a supercomputer for the classroom. Let's talk about the design, because the old iPad look is officially dead. The iPad 12 is moving to an ultra-thin, uniform bezel design that mimics the iPad Air. But the biggest change is the camera placement. Apple has finally admitted that we use our iPads in landscape mode. The front-facing ultra-wide camera is now permanently located on the long edge. This sounds like a small detail until you're on a Zoom call or a FaceTime, and you realize you finally look like a normal human being instead of looking off to the side. This camera is also rumored to support Center Stage 2.0, which uses AI to not only follow you around the room, but to also digitally correct your eye contact, making it seem like you're looking directly at the person you're talking to, even if you're looking at the screen. Now, let's dive into the professional secret that Apple has been hiding. The iPad 12 is rumored to feature a brand new magnetic connector system. This isn't just for charging. It's for a new category of accessories. We are hearing about a Magic Keyboard Lite, a keyboard that offers the same world-class typing experience as the Pro version,